Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a tattoo kit that I got. This is the Dragonhawk tattoo kit from Amazon. I'll link it down below. So they give you a tattoo power supply. And I'm not a professional by any means. I literally only have 2 tattoos. So, yeah. Forgive me if I don't know what I'm doing. So, this is a tattoo power supply box that, you hook the gun up to and turn it on. And then, here's the power cord for this. So, I know that. So, and then they give you some ink trays, and it also comes with 4 different ink colors. What else? It comes with some of these. I don't even know what these are called. What else? They give you a 20-piece pack set, I don't know, of needles. And they give you some for shading and for lining. And then now let's get into the tattoo machines. So here's one of the tattoo machines. I know that there's 2 different ones, and I know that this one is shorter I don't remember which one, but one is for lining and one is for shading. I don't know which one that is. And here's the other one. This one is black. Super cute. And then it also comes with this foot pedal. This is like my first time opening this also. It comes with this little foot pedal. It's so little and just thin. And here is let me take them out of the pack. I don't remember what these are called either, but it goes, right here in the gun, or no, right here, or some shit like that. Something like that. Oops. And then they give you like little screwdriver things and caps for the tattoo machines. I'm trying to get these out. These are like the little screwdrivers and rubber bands that they give you. And then also a pair of gloves, black gloves. And then they also give you some fake skin. Oh my god. Anyway, they also give you some fake skin to practice on, which I'm going to be doing later on tonight. So I will probably do 2 different videos of me setting up the machine and doing a tattoo on the fake skin. So yeah. Okay guys, so now let's get on to using it. So I'm gonna just show you, I'm gonna do this triangle and these lines real fast and just show you like kind of how, not how to do it, but I just want to just do it, So So to start, you want to go in and get some ink. And then you just go and just do your lines. Okay, so there's a triangle done. Get some more ink. And let's do this. I'm going to get some fruit to practice on later because I feel like practicing on fruit will really give you like an idea of how far the needle is going into the skin. And you want to make sure that you're stepping on the petal, not like super hard, but make sure that you're not just like lightly on it. You make sure you're actually pushing the petal. And then voila. Let's see. Here is my lines. Not bad. I did do some things on her yesterday, just some little doodles. But so yeah, all in all, I like the kit. It's pretty nice. Not like professionally, I wouldn't say, but you know, it's cool. I definitely 10 out of 10 recommend. So yeah, thanks for watching. Okay, so it's the next day or whatever, and I already put the tattoo gun together and did some tattoos on the fake skin. So let's just put it together now. So you're gonna want to start with this piece right here. Oops, and inside of it there's this piece. So what you do is you stick it in about that much, and then you get this little screwdriver thing and you tighten it up at the top. Okay. Then after you've tightened that like that, then you're gonna get one of these. You can see that. There it goes. And this is gonna be like the tip of your gun. So this is what you would use, but I'm gonna use the one that I was using yesterday. So what you do is you stick it in at the top, and then you do the same thing and tighten it in the top. Then after you've gotten this together, what you do with that is you grab this and there should be like a hole right here, and you can loosen it and tighten it. So loosen it up, and then you're gonna put this part in here. So there you go, it's in, and you're gonna wanna push it at least, oop, that's probably a little, there we go, so that it looks like that, and then tighten it back up. Okay, so after you've done that, it also comes with these little pieces right here. I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of like, it looks like a stopper kind of. And you're gonna put that right here on your gun. And then you're gonna get lining needles, because this is a lining gun. And the way you tell the difference between the two is like, where is it? So there's like a spring, this spring right here. It's like a long spring, and then this one is a short one. The long one is for shading, and the short one is for lining. So you're gonna wanna get a lining needle, and how you can tell the difference between the two is on the back right here. It says some numbers, and then it has RL. That means that it's for lining. And then on the back of these, it should have like a RS, and that means that these are for shading. So you can kind of just really just look and tell the difference between the two needles. So yeah, so you're gonna, after you've put this piece on, you're gonna want to get your needle and push it through here. There you go. And then once you get it through, put it on this. That's to hold the needle secure. So then there you go, now your needle is in. And then after you do that, you want to get a rubber band and put it on the back right here, just like this. There we go. Have the rubber band on there so that the needle doesn't vibrate and shake so much. Okay, and then after you do all of that, you're gonna want to calibrate it, I guess. And how you do that is you push this spring right here, you push on it, and when you push on it, you'll see how far your needle will come out, which mine is out way too far. That's my needle. So what you're gonna want to do is loosen this piece back up, and then press on that spring again, and pull this middle piece up until your needle is about like 1 millimeter out. And then release the spring and tighten it back up. Okay, so now after you do that, in this power box right here, you're gonna want to connect, in the left side is going, you're gonna plug these two in, these two prongs right here, and on the right side is where you plug in your foot pedal. So here, right here on the bottom, there's like 2 holes in these 2 things right here. See those holes? And that's where you're gonna put these prongs. You're gonna put them right in these holes, just like that. and that should give you power to your gun. Okay, and if your gun doesn't turn on, it could be something with the rubber band, because I did that yesterday. I guess I just had the rubber band in like the wrong place or something, and my gun wasn't turning on, and when it did, like the needle wasn't coming out. So I figured out it was that. So then you're gonna want to turn your power supply on, and it really depends on how powerful your machine is, on what voltage you want it to go on. So last night whenever I was doing it, I had it at a 7.4, I guess. So once you have it all hooked up and all put together, then you just turn on the power supply right here, and you hit the foot pedal, and you're ready to go. I don't know if you can barely see the needle coming out, because it's barely supposed to come out. Okay, so now let's get to tattooing the fake skin.